wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are back to talk about some of the latest makeup launches, and I just feel like there's a lot of newness in the air, like a lot of products that have been launching recently and some that people are actually talking about. And the Sephora sale is still going on, right? Yes. So if you guys want to hear more, let's go. That would not be this type of video if Colourpop was not involved. And it's the first thing that I see. So new cream gel liner formula, 18-hour waterproof wear with color that glides on smoothly and won't budge or fade. Perfect for a comfortable application in the waterline. The creamy formula makes blending super easy and sets for long-lasting looks. $7 each. Now I will say Colourpop eyeliners are usually very good, whether it's gel, pen liners, stuff like that, and affordable. And as you can see, this pretty much looks like a rainbow. You know, they got every color you could probably want. So what I, suggest, if you were interested in checking it out, yeah, if you like colorful eye looks and you want something affordable, yes. Will I be checking it out? Probably not. Okay, new from MAC. Squirt plumping gloss sticks. The squirt was unnecessary. Now in new tints that plump lips with juicy glossy color in a stick. Ginger root, I see all type, they list all the ingredients. Coconut oil, shea butter, avocado oil in 10 shades. I do not see a price. It looks like a glossy, they look like lip balms, but I guess they're glosses because they got that shiny finish at the end. I'm wondering if the different colors mean they might be scented. Did it say anything about them being scented? I like a plumping gloss. I don't know how much these cost, but I would probably like check one out just to see what it's giving. New Halo Glow Beauty Wands from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Halo Glow Highlight comes in 3 shades: Liquid Gold, Rose Quartz, Champagne, Campaign. And then there's a Halo Glow Blush, which comes in 4 shades, and a Halo Glow Contour, which comes in 5 shades. I don't see a price. It's already available. I'm intrigued, especially the blush colors that I guess that one would be the Berry Radiant. I guess that one would be. I'm intrigued on that one. Y'all know I like me a blush. Actually, probably the contour. Actually, I'm intrigued. Yeah, let me know if you guys would want me to do a video on this. I'm actually intrigued. I want to check that out. Available now. I think we talked about, did we talk about this? No, we did not, because that was a bronzer. Available now, MAC Studio Fix Pro Set and Blur Weightless Loose Powder. Studio Fix collection is expanding with a new breathable, pro-inspired setting powder, an ultra-refined loose powder that sets makeup all day, instantly absorbs oil, and provides a photo-friendly matte finish with a 3D blurring effect. Includes a plush puff applicator, lightweight, ultra, okay, that's you see what it is. Retails for $36. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, looks like 6 shades. Yes, I'm intrigued. For Studio Fix, the pressed powder, if you're looking for something that is going to just canvas your under eye, definitely that pressed powder. So if this is part of the same collection and it's giving the same type of energy, absolutely. Will I be trying this? Yes, I will. Available now from Dior. I'm confused, because the first thing I see here is the Dior Forever Natural Bronze Healthy Glow Bronzing Powder that retails for $55. The first 3 are the same shades, just a slightly different undertone. Actually, maybe the first 4, and then those last 2, baby, it better be the picture. Look, you know what? I'm actually just gonna scroll on, okay? Oh, I was just talking about Merit's lip oils, and it looks like they have new shades. So new Shade Slick Sheer Tinted Lip Oil. So I told you guys I like that lip oil. It really hydrates. It's not like a greasy type feeling, anything like that, but they just have new shades. So if you're interested, check that out. Did it say how much it retails for? $24 each. Okay, new part of the Electric Collection from Melt Cosmetics. Their electric lip paints. Liquid lip applies shimmery, sets to an electric foil, and stains for a lasting trip. Is there a price? There's not a price. You know, I obviously colorful lips are not my thing recently. I wish there was like a picture that shows the finish of it, because that sounded kind of cool. You know how it applies shimmery, sets to an electric foil, stains for a lasting trip. But it might, you know, again, if you are into colorful makeup looks, might be something for you to check out. Available now, new Double Take Skin Perfecting Blush Duo from Luma Beauty. Introducing a collection that celebrates human connection and the joy it brings into our lives. Double the love, double the joy, double the pigment. Velvet Powder Duo features a satin, matte, and luminous shimmer, brightens and enhances the complexion with a soft focus filter effect on the skin to blur and refine. Retails for $33 each. There are 6. Yeah, look at that. Look at the colors. Look at the, I'm just telling you, Black-owned brands, when it comes to complexion products, they gonna do it. Am I interested in at least checking out one of these, especially that one where, you know, it looks a little more on the purple side? It's probably the Black Pearl and the Black Pearl one. Yeah. Brown Sugar looks cute. Yeah. I'd pick up at least one. Oh. Blushed Liquid Blush from Juvia's Place. A buildable, radiant, pigmented and blendable formulation will accentuate your natural features in all the right places for an effortlessly flawless finish on any complexion. Retails for $18 each. Colors? It's giving Rare Beauty. Packaging isn't giving Rare Beauty. But I want to know if the formula is giving Rare Beauty, because I think this is cheaper than Rare Beauty's blushes. And if so, you know, we love to save $1 over here. So will I check this out? I will. Let me know if you guys want a video on that. Okay, new Dream Beam Moisturizing Mineral Sunscreen SPF 40 with ceramides and peptides from Kosas. A clean, comfy mineral sunscreen packed with ceramides and peptides to moisturize, visibly smooth, and brighten. Retails for $40. I'm intrigued. I'm intrigued. You know, mineral sunscreen, especially on deeper complexions, it'd be rough. But I like other things I have tried from Kosas. And I'm saying that intentionally. I'm saying it that way intentionally. Will I check this out? I probably will. I probably will. Oh, there's an eyeshadow palette to go with the lip products from Melt Cosmetics. Includes this eyeshadow palette with bright, lucid dream, creamy chromes, and true vivid mattes. I don't see a price on this either. The palette is beautiful. The shades were pretty for the lip products, but the palette is beautiful. Melt Cosmetics makes really good eyeshadow. So if you like colorful eyeshadow, that palette is calling to me, but I just know like I'm not gonna use it like that because I just don't do eyeshadow like that anymore. But it has me almost there just to have it. I'm also a collector of Melt eyeshadows, but I'm also trying to stop stuff like that, so don't tempt me. Okay, new Rio Radiance Body Glow Cream from Sol de Janeiro. This retails for 48 dual hairs. Ever since I smelled what Bum Bum Cream smells like now, it's been very off-putting for me for the brand. It's just, I don't really want to smell nothing else. But you know, if you like it, I love it for you, and you might want to check this out. New Dewtopia 25% Acid Flash Facial from Ole Henriksen. See a price, but transforms skin from dull to radiant in 5 to 10 minutes. Smooths texture, fine lines and wrinkles, evens and brightens skin tone. I'm intrigued. I think I told y'all about there's a product they have. It's like it's a facial type product, and baby, when I tell you that on your face, flawless type skin. So I'm here for their skincare products, and this smooths texture, fine lines and wrinkles, and I feel like that brightens skin tone. I feel like that's been my focus lately when it comes to skincare. I've been using the Glow Recipe skincare, and I feel like it's definitely showing, definitely brightening, giving me that, like, you know, just glow from within type of skin. It's definitely been helping with texture. There's also a Kiehl's product that's been, well, 2 products that have been helping with texture. So I think that's where, you know, my interest has been in skincare recently. So would I try this? Yes, I would. I don't know how much it costs. You know, it's not that cheap, but yes, I would. Oh, Morphe is still putting out products. Their new Heat Seeker collection, inspired by a luxurious desert escape. The Artistry palette retails for $22, and the 5-piece eye brush set retails for $26 doll hairs. Looking at the palette, it's giving, you know, you kind of had shades left in the warehouse. Because it really just looks like a lot of the same shades, just like different undertones or like slightly off from the next. And it's like, do you really need a whole palette full of pretty much the same like 4 colors, just in different variations? Maybe you do. And if you do, this is for you. Not for me. You know what's funny? I just scrolled past this on Sephora's website and it has a 1-star review. Now, it might just be only like one person's reviewed it so far, but I thought that was, you know, it threw me off a little bit just because like Makeup Forever, it's one of those brands that's, you know, it's looked at as prestigious, you know, very respected, especially amongst like working makeup artists. But they have a new HD Skin Cream Contour and Highlight Sculpting Palette, an easy-to-use cream face palette with all you need to conceal, contour, highlight, and underpaint like a pro for a flawlessly, why can't I say that word today? Sculpted look. 2 contour shades and 4 highlighters. Retails for $85 doll hairs. I don't like products like this in general just because I'm not a working makeup artist, so I don't need shades that are going to work for other skin tones. And then when you look at the shades that are only going to work for me, is it worth $85 to me? No. But I just explained why it would work for me. As far as the actual formula goes, I didn't read why it only had a 1-star review, but like I said, it just kind of threw me off because, you know, back in the day, that Makeup Forever Ultra HD, best things in sliced bread. Talk about a blast from the past. Available now, Dose of Colors has collaborated with Orpha Zenali again, because they collaborated once before. But when I tell you, I have not like seen Orpha in a good minute. You know, you just like see someone or influencers, content creators that you saw back in the day, and then you're just kind of like, what happened? You know, and then I go look for their accounts. They're married, they have children, you know, they're homeowners now, they have all this stuff. It's just, I don't know, it's just a little warm and fuzzy inside watching people grow. But they've collabed, and it includes the 90s lip set that retails for $42 and the 2000s lip set that retails for $42. The shades look very beautiful on her. Lip liner isn't lining much of anything for me, but Dose of Colors does make good lip products, so if you're interested, you want to support her, the opportunity is right there. You know, I'm going to support her from over here with encouraging words. Proud of you, but I probably won't be picking it up. Okay, new Soft Pinch tinted lip oils from Rare Beauty. Inspired by the Soft Pinch liquid blush, they wanted to create a lip product that could create the same flush of color for lips that the liquid blush creates for cheeks. I don't see a price, but I'm pretty sure it's already, oh, $20 each, comes in 8 shades. Now y'all already know I like the liquid blushes, and they went and made lip oils for your lips. Oh, but baby, Rare Beauty just gets it when it comes to product. And I'm seeing some of the colors. I'm intrigued. Would I try this? I'd buy at least one, at least. Laura Mercier has a new Real Flawless Luminous Perfecting Pressed Powder, a pressed finishing powder that enhances the look of skin and makeup with a natural luminous finish, instantly adding dimension and enlivening skin. Light coverage, radiant finish, retails for $48, 4 shades. Pressed powders like this I usually use under the eye before I bake, anything like that. I'm not sure if I would want, but you know, when they start talking about radiance in setting powders, it gives the type of powders that have like those actual shimmers of glitter in them that you can see, and I usually don't like products like that. I don't, I'm looking at the picture and I don't see any. I will probably pass. on that one. Freck Beauty has a new Face Hack Precision Sculpting Bronzer. I also saw this on Sephora's website. Retails for $18 each. A cream bronzer stick that contours, sculpts, and creates dimension in a blendable, blurring, plant-derived formula. I'm intrigued. That deep dark is deep dark. And I do like a creamy bronzer and a bronzing stick formula. It makes it a lot easier applying it onto your face. I've never tried anything from this company before. I see people talk about them before. I'm intrigued. It's only $18. It's only $18. Would I try it? Yeah. I would try this. Let me know if you want me to do this on video, but I'm intrigued. Okay, and last thing. Available now, Sunshield Soft Glow Daily Face SPF 30 from Kapari Beauty. Retails for $38. I don't know if you guys remember, but when Kapari like first got on the scene, they went viral for that like coconut moisturizer, coconut something like that. You know, I kind of shied away because coconut and my skin, my sensitive skin, that usually just does not mix well. But they do have a facial cleanser. It's pink. I don't remember what it's called though. That's really good for if you have acne prone skin. So that kind of got me intrigued in the brand. This says provides broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection while smoothing skin's appearance. Vitamin E helps shield from free radicals and ethically, I just can't say anything that ends with Kali today. I don't know what it is. Sourced pearlescent minerals. I already said retails for $38. I'm intrigued. I don't know. I see a lot of SPF, and I mean summer's coming, so it makes sense. I would at least put it in the wish list because I already have other sunscreens that I want to check out first, but I'm intrigued by this one. So would I check it out? Yeah, I probably would. All right, y'all. So that is it for today's video. I feel like I saw a lot where I'm like, okay, and that is the energy that I need beauty companies to be giving us, because the last few years it's been giving, I've seen it, it's been done before, it's repackaged, try something else. And I think they're listening, because okay. So let me know anything else that's new coming out that I need to check out down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.